How to check and test the rear and front camera on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen and then tap on the Samsung folder. Next, tap on members. Then tap on diagnostics button. Next, tap on the phone diagnostics. Then we scroll down and then tap on camera. Now in here, tap on the test button. First, we're going to test the rear camera. So point your camera at a subject and then tap on the shutter button. And here is the picture good quality? So you can choose either yes or no. Next, we'll test the front camera. So tap on the shutter button and then inspect your picture to see if the picture is clear or not. If the picture is in good quality, tap on yes. And that's it. So that is how you can test your camera on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.